हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। आशा है आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे। तो आइए बच्चों, शुरू करते हैं हमारा अगला चैप्टर, जो कि है चैप्टर नंबर 3, एक्सेल 2016 क्रिएटिंग वर्कशीट्स। ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल? सो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल इज अ पावरफुल स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर which help us to organize and maintain data, complete calculations, and represent data in graphs. It contains data in the form of rows and columns. The rows and columns are collectively called worksheet. You have to remember this point, okay? It organizes data in an easy manner and has some features that help us to do complex calculations. The spreadsheet file is also called a workbook, which is like a notebook having many individual worksheets. Each worksheet of an Excel 2016 typically has 16,384 columns and 10,48,576 rows. Excel 2016 has some basic features for all spreadsheets. Okay, students, so what are the basic features? So look at the given picture that shows the components of the Excel 2016. So what are these components, students? Tabs, title bar, ribbon, formula bar, column heading, scroll bars, grid lines, worksheet, status bar, view of worksheets, zoom controls, cells, sheet tab, row heading, name box, active cell, file tab, quick access toolbar. Okay students, now use of Excel, uses of Excel. तो क्या क्या uses है students Excel के? सबसे पहले manipulating numbers. Microsoft Excel is best known for feeding and changing numeric data. We can use Excel to perform any kind of mathematical calculations, like quickly tallying our marks in exams, calculating averages of our total marks, etc. Okay. Second thing we can do is organize data. We can also use Microsoft Excel for organizing data. The row and column format of an Excel spreadsheet is perfectly for entering many types of data we can need to track. Okay, after entering the data, we can perform various sorting operations to control how the data is listed. Third thing, student, is store data as workbook. In Excel, we can store data which we enter in it as a file called workbook. Excel 2016 workbook is stored using the Excel.xlx file extension. Within each workbook, we can store numerous individual worksheets to hold our data. Shared data. Excel allows us to share our data with our other users. We can improve data from other sources and export data into other file formats. To share our data with others, we can also save our data as a PDF or HTML file. Okay, creating custom list. Students, we can create our own custom list if we are regularly entering the same data in the same order. Just set up the list once and fill handle will remember it for us. Microsoft Excel provides built-in day of the week and month of the year list. We can create our own custom list too. Following are the built-in day of the week and the month of the year list in MS Excel. Built-in list क्या क्या है students? जैसे कि आप weeks की list बना सकते हैं, ठीक है? It can be in any form, short form और complete name आप लिख सकते हैं, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, okay? January, February आप short में भी लिख सकते हैं abbreviation के साथ, नहीं तो आप complete spellings भी लिख सकते हैं, okay? Sometimes data has no natural order in it, so we need to create a custom list and use them to sort or fill. This custom list is added to our company's registry. We can also use it in other workbooks. Okay students, now follow the steps to create a custom list. अब हमें students custom list create करनी है जो कि built in list के feature में नहीं होती है, तो हम कैसे create कर सकते हैं? Click on the file tab, click options, Excel options dialog box will open, click advanced in the left pane. Scroll to general, click edit custom list button, custom list dialog box will open, type the list in list entries field, press enter after every item in the list, click add button. The new list will be added to the custom list fields. Click OK twice to close both dialog boxes. Okay, now using autofill feature, students, autofill is a very useful Excel feature. It allows us to create entire columns or rows of the data which are based on the values from other cells. In other words, Excel compares the selected data and tries to guess the next values that will be inserted. Okay, now students, now let us follow the steps to use autofill feature. Click the first cell of the series, type January in the first cell, position the mouse on the small black block in the lower right corner of the cell. The pointer will change from a white cross to a black cross. The black cross is known as a fill handle. Okay, drag the fill handle using the mouse across the range of cells. These cells will fill the rest of the series. Okay students, now release the mouse button. Autofill will complete the rest of the data entry in the series. Okay, for example, if we drag the autofill handle across more cells, it would fill the names of the months. Okay, for example, February, March, April, and so on. Okay, now fact folder is given here, students. Sometimes the range is very long, example 1200 lines. In such situation, dragging fill handle till the end is bit convenient. inconvenient. So just double click the file handle, Excel will automatically copy till the end. Okay, now moving the cell contents. Now how can we move the cell content, students? So first is cut command. Cut command is used to move text from one cell to another cell in the same worksheet or in another worksheet. So here you have to follow the steps to use the cut command. Select the desired cell or range of the cells to work in. Click on the home tab, click on the cut option present in the clipboard group. Okay, now next is copy command. Copy command is used when we want to duplicate the cell contents in the same worksheet or in another worksheet. Follow the steps to use the copy command. Here you have to select the cell and the range of the cells to be copied. Click on the home tab, click on the copy option in the clipboard group. Select the desired cell for the content to appear. Click on the paste option present in the clipboard group. Selected text will appear in the new cell. Okay, students. Now next is packed folder. Like in Word 2016, undo redo commands are also present in the quick access toolbar of the Excel 2016. Undo command is used when we want to cancel the last steps performed in the worksheet. Redo command is used to repeat the last steps performed in the worksheets. Okay, now formatting worksheet, students. So formatting is very important feature in Excel. It displays the worksheet in an interactive and more legible outlook. Okay, a good formatting helps us to find the meaning in the spreadsheet formatting without the trouble of going through each and every individual cells. Cells with a good formatting will draw attention to the important cells automatically. We can make worksheets more presentable by applying formatting features to it. Okay, now students, let's apply formatting to our text. Changing font of the data. If you want to change the data, fonts are different styles of writing. Okay, we have to follow the steps. Select the desired cell and the range of the cells to change the font type. Click on the home tab, click on the font option. From the drop down arrow present in the font group, a drop-down list will appear. Select the desired font name from the list. Select the font style the selected font style will be applied. Okay. Now students, let's learn to change the font size of the data. We have to follow the steps. Select the desired cell and the range of the cells to change the font size. Click on the font size drop-down arrow present in the font group. The drop-down list will appear. Select the desired font size from the list. Selected font size will be applied. Okay. Now bold, italic and underline data. Follow the steps to change the font style of the text. Students, select the desired cell or range of the cells where to change the style. Click on the home tab, click on the bold option to present in the font group to make the text bolder. Click on the italics option in the font group to make the text in italic style. Click on the underline option in the font group to make the text underlined. Okay, students? Now students, changing the alignment of the data. Alignment means the way in which the data is set within the boundary of a cell. By default, Excel automatically aligns the text data to the left and the number data to the right. We can change the horizontal and the vertical alignments to improve the appearance of our worksheet data. Okay. So students, in the home tab under the alignment group, left, right, center, top, middle and bottom alignments options are present. Select the desired alignment to apply on the desired cell or range of the cells to align. Okay. Packed folder is given here, students. The first spreadsheet software was VisCalc, launched in 1979, designed for Apple II computer. Charles Simon is called the father of the Excel software. Okay, students, you have to remember this point. Now let's learn the merging of cells, students. Two or more adjacent cells can be merged to create a single cell using the merge and center option. Follow the steps to merge and center option, students. You have to select the range of the cells to be merged and center aligned. Click on the home tab, click on the merge and center option present in the alignment group. The list will appear having the 4 sub options: merge and center, merge across, merge cells, unmerge cells. Okay, select the desired option as per the requirement, students. Here now let's learn to add border. We can add borders to our worksheet cells. It will separate the data from surrounding cells. Follow the steps to add border to the cells or range of the cells, students. Here you have to select the cell or the range of the cells to add border to. Click on the home tab, click on the borders option to open the drop down arrow present in the font group. The different styles of the borders will appear. Okay, now click on the desired border from the list. The selected border style will be applied. We can also change the border color. Okay, now adding border color, students. Adding a background color. Follow the steps to add a background color. Select the cells and the range of the cells where to add a background color. Click on the home tab, click on the drop down arrow of the fill color option present in the font group. A color palette will appear, students. Here you have to select the desired color from the list and selected color will be applied to the cells or the range of the cells. Here a packed folder is given. To use the custom color, click more colors and then in the colors dialog box select the desired color. Auto format feature, students, देखेंगे यहाँ पर. There is a predefined list of layouts in Excel. These layouts have colored backgrounds, borders and attractive text formatting. These can be applied to a range of data. Now follow the steps to add auto format option in the quick access toolbar. So students, click on the customize quick access toolbar button in the quick access toolbar, a list will appear. Click on the more commands option. The Excel options dialog box will open. Click on the drop down arrow of the choose commands from the list box and then click on the all commands from the list that appears. Select auto format option from the list box. Click on the add button to move the auto format option on the right side of the list box. Okay, click on OK. The auto format button will be added on the quick access toolbar. Okay, now students, applying auto format feature, follow the steps to use auto format feature. Select the cells or the range of the cells to apply auto format. Click on the auto format icon on the quick access toolbar. Auto format window will open displaying a variety of patterns. Select the desired pattern. Click on OK to apply the pattern. The pattern will be applied on the spreadsheet. Okay, students. Now formatting numbers. Now students, let's learn to format numbers. Number formatting means changing the appearance of the numbers without changing their values. Hence when we change the appearance of the number, it will be changed in the cell but remains same in the formula bar. Let's take a number 1254566, displays it as 1254566 decimal 00 in a cell. Okay, so follow the steps to change the appearance of a number. Select the cell, click on the home tab, click on the drop down arrow of the format option present in the cells group. The drop down list will appear. Select the format cells and the options from the list. Okay, a format cells dialog box will appear from the category list. Enter 2 in the decimal places box. It will display the number with 2 decimal places. Click on use thousand separator checkbox to separate numbers in thousands by a comma. Click on OK. The number will get displayed up to 2 decimal places. Okay, now fact folder, students. In accounting style, the dollar sign is shown by default. We can change the currency sign for selected cell from the drop down menu. Currency signs are all left justified. Okay, date time formatting. In Microsoft Worksheet, we can display date and time in several formats. We can also change the way the date appears in the worksheet. Follow the steps to change the date time format. Click on the home tab, format cells dialog box will open. Go to number group, click date or time in the category field, choose a format from type field, click OK. We can use Ctrl plus Shift plus hash to apply date from the day, month and the year. Okay, to enter the current date, press Ctrl plus Shift at the rate is used to apply time format with the hour and minute, hour, am and am or pm. To current time, to enter current time, press Ctrl plus Shift plus colon. Okay, now AutoSum feature, students. AutoSum feature of the Excel 2016 is used to quickly find the sum of the series in the row or column. So here you have to follow the steps to use the AutoSum feature. Enter a series of marks obtained by a student in class 6. To find sum of the marks, first select the cells that contain data including the cell in which we want to display the sum. Click on the home tab, click on the drop down arrow of the AutoSum option box present in the editing group. Click on sum, the sum will appear in the desired cell. Okay, students, here are the throwback points of this chapter. Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software which helps us to organize and maintain data, complete calculations and represent data in graphs. Okay, each worksheet of Excel 2016 typically has 16,384 columns and 10,48,576 rows. Okay, Excel 2016 has some basic features for all spreadsheets. Excel compares the selected data and tries to guess the next values that will be inserted. Okay, like in Word 2016, endo and redo commands are present in the quick access toolbar. Formatting is very important feature in Excel. It displays the worksheet in an interactive and more legible output. Okay, number formatting means changing the appearance of the numbers without changing their values. AutoSum feature of Excel 2016 is used to quickly find the sum of a series in row or a column. Okay, so students, here you are done with this chapter. We will meet in the next chapter with a new value. Students, here you are done with this chapter. We will meet in the next chapter with a new video. Till then, students, keep revising, keep learning. Thank you. All the best. Okay.